Okay, now before we actually get started, I want you to know that if you've not subscribed, actually just subscribe, like, share, and also comment if you find this video. Now let's take a look at our CADJPY for the week, starting with our daily time frame. We all can see on the daily time frame, the long time, we are actually on a bullish move upward. Our CAD to our JPY has actually been moving up, having uptrend move, and guess what, we've actually gotten to this level where our price is now ranging, right? We saw our price move up, rally up, it hit this our level and fell. It also came up again, hits this level and fall, serving as a double top, as we can call it, or and also a resistance level, as we all can call it. And we can also see some key level here where our price has actually bounced and get to and actually reacted. We can see our price also come here, give us a pullback before coming here. We can see this as a false breakout, this candle week here, false breakout. Then our price push up, came here again, tap, push up. Our price also came here again and push off, serving as a support level. Now we have also seen our price come here. Very much likely we would be seeing a bullish move this week on our CADJPY. The reason, I also note that we're very much likely to see a liquidity area, but what I know is that we will be seeing having a bullish move this week on our CADJPY. Our price and CAD can just quickly come, take out, take some liquidity and start giving us that bullish move. Now let's see it. One of the reasons why I said we would very much likely have a bullish move on our CADJPY is that we should see our JPY index. By the way, let's see it on the long term. We can see our JPY has actually been falling, right? And now our JPY has actually been ranging within this area. Our JPY index as well actually came, hit this our level and came down, also came up again, hit this our level, serving as a resistance level and came down again. You can see that once our price go to this level, it pushes up, it bounce up, came to this level and bounce up. So this place also serve as our resistance, and now this place also serve as our support. Now that our JPY index has actually pushed up and hit this our resistance, we are actually saying we will be very much likely to get a fall on this our JPY index, right? We would want to be seeing a drop on our JPY index. As we are having that drop or a fall on our JPY index, we will be seeing that bullish move on our CADJPY. So once our JPY is falling, our CAD will actually be rising. Exactly what we very much likely see this week. Now another reason is that if possible, this was to be an uptrend move that I've just highlighted. Let's see, starting from here, we saw this higher highs, higher lows. We can see another higher highs breaking this previous higher highs, right? Very much likely we'll be having a pullback again, right? We'll be having a pullback. So that pullback would actually be bearish. We would want to see that pullback to this our previous higher highs, which is about 111 pips to go. So if our JPY index is to drop, we will be dropping at least to 100 plus pips, right? So once we are starting to have that pullback on our JPY index, then our CAD itself will also give us that bullish move. So two ways. If this was to be a support and resistance way, then we will be having a drop on our JPY index, which means our CAD would actually give us that bullish move. And if this was to actually now be an uptrend move, then we would want to be seeing a reversal move, a pullback on this our JPY index, which means it will be bearish. And once we start having that pullback, we would also have another bullish move on our CAD JPY. So that is the analysis for the week.